Chapter 9, question 68. Now for this one, I'm going to encourage you to look at example 31 in the textbook. It does walk you through this one or one similar to it. So take a look at that. Basically though, we are selecting a committee. In committees, there are people that are on the committee. They all have an equal say in things. There's not an executive council being elected, a president, a vice president, a treasurer. If there was, then order becomes important. But when you see the word committee, the general thought is order is not important. They're just being put on this committee. And then maybe from within the committee, they elect a leader or something, but that's sort of a different situation. We're just looking, how many ways do we have to select an initial committee? So in this way, we are choosing from some that are Republicans and some that are Democrats. Notice they sort of forgot about the independents. Any independents out there? There should be more. They should be considered more than just the two parties, I think. Anyway, this question is saying that we've got 23 members that will serve on this, or there's 23 members on the committee. 12 are Republicans, 11 are Democrats. So when we go to search, we're doing this. They want to make a subcommittee, and they want 8 Republicans and 7 Democrats on this subcommittee. So how many ways can we do this? Well, it's sort of two separate things. How many ways can we get a combination of the Republicans, and then how many different ways can we get combinations of the Democrats? And since they sort of branch off from there, this is the multiplication principle. So for the Republicans, we are choosing from 12 of them. Order is not important, so we're going to do an NCR. And from those 12, we're going to have to select 8. For the Democrats, we're doing the same thing, an NCR, and then we are taking 11, or choosing from the 11, and we're going to have 7 of them. We find out what these two numbers are, and we multiply them together using that multiplication principle in general. And what you'll find is the first one gives you 12, choose 8, gives us 495. 11, choose 7, gives us 330. When we multiply those together, we get 163,350. If you don't have the NCR function on your calculator or haven't found it yet, you could do this calculation like we've been doing previously. But I highly encourage you to start using a calculating tool, or at least one of the online tools that are available to use the combinations and the permutations, and that you're going to find is going to be more helpful for questions like this.